Hello, good evening everyone. Here I am going to share a PowerPoint presentation on ESIC, that is Employees State Insurance Corporation. It is a scheme which is administered by a corporate autonomous body which has members representing the employers, employees, the central government, the state government, medical professional and the permanent. The scheme provides monetary and medical benefits to employees in a case of sickness, maternity, and employment injury and to make provisions for related matters. ESIC registration is a statutory responsibility of the employers of factory or any establishment under Section 2A of the Act read with Regulation 10B. It is mandatory according to the rules and regulation of the ESI Act 1948. Entrepreneurs can have this ESIC registration online by following the simple procedures. So here some steps are show off which will lead to the total procedure. At first you have to log in to the website ID, that is www.esic.in. After login to the website, you have to click on sign up and enter the required details. After that, an email is sent along with login credentials. Then again you have to log in on www.esic.in with your credentials. After that, click on new employer registration. Enter unit details, enter employer details, enter fact or establishment details, enter employee details, generate advance contribution challan, and after that, on realization of challan C11 along with new credentials are sent to the mail ID. So it is this website which has the link shown on the previous slide. The website link is www.esic.in. So here you have to click on the right side portion which is marked as a red line, that is click here to log in. You have to click on this option. After that, there will be a sign up page open where you have to log in with your username and password, and then you have to click on here for sign up. In this page, you have to enter the company name, principal employer name, state and region, email address. After entering the data, click on submit button. This is the email which has sent to your email ID. You have to check your mailbox, and the email which has sent to the user after successful sign up along with login credential, the total detail will be in your email address. So with your email, with your login credentials which has sent through email, you have to log in here again by providing your username, password, and then again you have to log in. So it is the page where you have to click on new employer registration as you have newly registered as an employee. After that, you have to click on new employer registration. Here you have to enter the name of unit, email address, total address, police station. Click on next button to proceed to the next page. Here you have to select whether the building or the premises of fact or establishment is owned or hired. Then click on next to proceed. Reset to re-enter the detail if you want to reset the data. Cancel if you want to exit, and save to save the all data. In this page you have to enter bank account details, nature of business and category, PAN number details, etc. In this slide you have to enter date of commencement of factory, license details if you have any. Click on next button. Here you have to select constitution of ownership, detail of owner you have to provide again. Click on next button. Here you have to click on serial number 16 as you have to enter details on the number of employee working. Click here the red mark, that portion you have to click as click here to enter detail, then submit. You have to click on the submit option. Enter total number of employees earning less than rupees 15,000. Then you have to click on the save button to save all the data which you have entered on the previous slides. Now here you have to enter the date when first 10 or 20 employees were employed on your organization. and after that click on employee declaration form. Then you have to click on submit button. Then you have to select yes if IP already registered and enter the IP number and date of joining, and if you have not been registered then you have to click on no, and if IP is not registered. Here you have to enter your name of IP and name of IP's father, address, date of birth, gender, marital status. If you are married then click on married, if you are not then click on unmarried option. Here you have to enter your permanent address, date of joining, nominee details, family details, check the declaration and then click on submit. After successfully entering details of minimum 10 for factory and 20 for establishment IP, click on close. You have to click on close button. On the last screen, when user checks declaration box, system populate advanced challan detail. This is your challan detail. You have to click on the submit button. So here click on pay initial contribution and then you have to click on OK. Amount to be paid is auto populated. So click on submit to proceed for the online payment. Kindly note down the challan number for future reference. It will be needed further. Click on continue to proceed further to the payment gateway option. So here are some bank details or bank names. You have to click which bank you want to make the transaction. For payment through SBI, you have to click SBI. For payment through other bank internet banking, so you have to click on other bank's internet banking. Here you have to select your bank from drop down button and you will be redirected to corresponding bank gateway. After that, you have to enter your user ID to log in. Here enter the credentials to proceed to the payment option, that is user ID, password, and then click on enter. Here click on pay to proceed with payment. After that, payment success confirmation receipt will be generated on your computer screen. Transaction completed successfully and the message will be shown on your computer screen that the transaction has successfully completed. After that, a batch process is scheduled on daily basis which identify all codes for which advance contribution is filled and challan has been realized. Based on this, C11 letter and login credential is sent to email address provided by user. Every month users need to file monthly contribution. System will auto adjust the amount. In future, as soon as the employer file monthly contribution, a pop-up will be opened with message that amount has been adjusted. So with these slides, I have shown you the total procedure to how to get the registration for ESIC. If you want to get more informations about this topic or this kind of relevant topic, so please refer to our website. Our website ID is www.helpmybees.in, your friendly neighborhood tax office.